All right, welcome. You're about to take what is, seriously, one of the most exciting first steps on your programming journey, getting your tools set up. And today, we're going to get Python installed on your computer. Don't worry, I'll walk you through every single step. It's going to be super simple, I promise.
So what's our goal here? It's pretty simple, actually. We're going to get you from zero to a fully working Python installation right on your Windows machine. And by the end of this, you'll be all set up and ready to write that very first line of code. How cool is that?
Okay, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to grab the official installer. And it's really important that we only get Python from its official home. That way, we know we've got the real deal, totally safe and sound.
So go ahead and fire up your favorite web browser. Doesn't matter if it's Chrome, Edge, whatever you use. Just head over to python.org. As soon as you land on the page, you'll see a downloads menu up top. All you gotta do is hover your mouse right over it and bam, this big yellow button will pop up with the latest version. Go on and give that a click and your download will start.
All right, so your file's downloaded. Now, listen up because we've come to the single most critical moment of this entire setup. I'm not kidding. It's just one tiny checkbox, but getting this right will save you from what is probably the #1 headache that beginners run into later on.
So what is this super important step? It's all about adding Python to something called your system's path. Now, what the heck is that? Well, just think of the path as like a list of addresses your computer keeps. By adding Python to it, you're basically telling Windows, hey, whenever I type the word Python into a command line, I want you to know exactly where to find it. If you don't do this, your computer's just going to be totally confused later. And that is exactly why we're putting such a spotlight on this one little click. Trust me, get this right, and the rest of your coding journey is going to be so much smoother.
Okay, let's do it. Find that file you just downloaded and double-click to open it up. The installer window will pop up. Now, your eyes should go straight to the bottom of that window. See that checkbox that says Add Python.exe to Path? That's our golden ticket. Make sure you check that box. Then you can go ahead and click Install Now. Windows might ask you for permission. If it does, just click Yes.
Okay, the installation bar is full, everything's finished, but how do we actually know it worked? We need proof, right? Let's go and check it right now.
So once the installer gives you that nice setup was successful message, you can go ahead and close it. Now for the check. Click on your Windows Start menu and just start typing CMD. Then hit Enter. This little black window that pops up is the command prompt. It's just a simple text-based way to talk directly to your computer.
Now, don't let this black window intimidate you. You only need to type one single word. That word is Python. That's it. Python. Type it in and press the Enter key. This is the moment of truth. And there it is. Success. If you see the word Python followed by a version number and then those 3 little greater than signs, the greater than, that means you did it. You're in. That's the Python interpreter basically saying hello and waiting for your first command. Seriously, congratulations. And just like that, you've done it. You have officially crossed the starting line. You've got Python installed on your machine, and that means you are officially a programmer. You have the tools you need to start building amazing things. Think about it. You followed all the steps, you absolutely nailed that critical checkbox, and now you are all set for the incredible journey that's ahead of you. Really fantastic work. So really, there's only one question left to ask, isn't there? You've just unlocked this incredibly powerful new skill. You've got a tool that can build almost anything you can possibly imagine. The path is wide open for you. What are you going to build first?